Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to find deleted emails on Outlook using your PC. Whether you've accidentally deleted an important message or just want to double-check your deleted items folder, this process is quick and easy. Let's dive in. First, open Outlook in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the page. This is often referred to as the menu icon, and it gives you access to various sections of your mailbox. Next, click on those three lines to expand the menu. From here, you'll see a list of folders associated with your email account. Scroll down and locate the folder labeled Deleted Items. This is where Outlook stores emails that have been removed from your inbox or other folders but haven't been permanently deleted yet. Click on Deleted Items to open it. Inside, you'll find a list of all the emails that are currently stored in this folder. Browse through the list to locate the email you're looking for. If you find it, simply select the email and choose an option like Restore or Move to transfer it back to your inbox or another folder of your choice. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can recover emails that might have seemed lost forever. Remember, emails in the Deleted Items folder are only stored temporarily, so it's a good idea to act quickly if there's something important you need. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.